Yo, Jagatinana. Yeah. Niko na Bangladesh. Sitaki tu kudanga yo. Kwani nilipotoka.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Nelly here. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my watermelon juice using a juice extractor. So here is the process. Please enjoy and remember to subscribe. Let's prepare our juice extractor. Here is our juice extractor. So there we go. Make sure each and every part fits where it's supposed to be. There we go. Yeah. There we go. And then put this one there. There's our juice extractor. It's a brand by the name OMS. What else do we have here? And this is where the juice is collected. This small thing here. This is where your juice is collected. Here. See here. Hapa ndio juice inatoka hapa. Hapa. And then the leftovers, those extracts zinaenda hii side. Zile uchafu sasa za watermelon zenye huwezi kula, they go these sides. This one inachukuliwa hapa and then the juice goes here. So let's see how this works. You connect, you make sure you connect kwa steamer, connect it to the electricity, to the power, and that's what's up. So there's this cutting here. I hope you're seeing it. There's this cutting. Let me adjust my camera angle. There we go. I hope you're seeing it. So this is the juice extractor. Then there's this one. So you put the pieces of fruits that you have cut here. Then you just press inside. If it's on the power, it rotates. The leftovers goes this side and the juice goes this side. There we go. Perfect. So guys, here we are. We have already prepared our watermelon pieces, and then the juice maker or juice extractor is ready. Our jug is here where we will pour our already made juice. And so now here's the process. So it's very simple. Just take a piece. The first pieces of watermelon that you make, you have to include the the outer layer. I know most people we eat up to here, but we throw away this. But this one, there's a lot of nutrients in here. So the 1/2 of watermelon you can make with all this, and then the other half, now the bigger other half, you can just make with this part, because this part is just water and natural sugar. But then this one has more nutrients, so you include this one on the first take. Yeah, so that's how you're supposed to do it, guys. Then you put some pieces in there. Then this one ndio unafinyilia ndani sasa wase. Unaweka number 1. Unaweka number 1. And then you, so ukishaweka hivi, once you put it inside, you press this inside and then you start the extractor. Yeah, so you start, press it inside. You see the juice coming out. The juice is coming out, and the other things are going here. So you repeat the same procedure. Put it watermelon in there. You press. The juice, and this is all natural. It's very, very healthy. So procedure. They have to fit. If it doesn't fit, you use the small one. So you see, if you put a bigger one, they don't really mix well. Yeah, guys, so repeat the same procedure. Put in juice. You have to make sure it fits so that there's no any form of confusion. Then you put this one in the juice is being made. Very healthy, by the way. Super healthy. So you can mix different types of the fruits that you like to bring out that. There we go.
Yeah, oh, na 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 na. Yeah, oh, na 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 na. Imefichuka, siri. Imefichuka, siri. Imefichuka, siri.
Yo. making some juice. Healthy juice. So guys, if you notice, this time I'm using only the red part, the juicy part. I'm not using the outer layer because this is the juiciest part of our watermelon. And this also, it's more sweeter than the other part. Juicy. Juicy, healthy. Look at that. Wow guys, check this out. Juice. There's our juice. Very healthy. Very healthy. Wow. Very healthy. So guys, there you go. Wow, look at this side. Look at this side. This is where all the extract goes, and here is where the juice goes. So now we are done.